And if you call me a bitch, make sure to put sensitive in front of it. You, I guess. Oh.
Tina! 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 Hey! Where are you going? Wait.
Hey, Dogator, you good boy. How you doing, bud? He's a good boy. Hey, man. Hey, I'm sorry. Were you banging the neighbor? Hey! Quit banging the neighbor! Quit banging the neighbor! Hey, man. What? No. No. I'm sorry. Sorry. You're fast! Here's how we film these videos. Bonnet is calm. I put my fist up. He gets mad. If I put it up behind the camera, he gets pissed. Good man. Yeah, give me a paw. Well trained. Smile. Good man. And either way, sometimes he's pissed. Good boy. What the hell? Go, paw. Can I get a smile? Smile. Good man. Other paw. Big smile. Good boy. Can I touch it? I'm sorry. When I touch it. That is a trigger word. Touch it. Ass. Or words like pencil. That'll piss him off. Stay.
Haiku, can you sing? Sing. You can sing. Sing. Yes, Wolfie! You jump on the couch! Come here! Annie, no!
Nikki, do a motorcycle.
Machas, do the motorcycle.
Dap me up. Twice. One more. Thank you.
Rudy, dab me up. I don't. Dab me up. Dab me up. Girl, what is your problem? Mwah.
Dap me up.
Oh my gosh.
Twice. One more. Thanks.
Rudy, thank you. That's all.
再咬我！哎呦，再咬呀！
I'd like to talk to you about your car's extended warranty.
Can we talk about your car's extended warranty? I'd like to talk about your car's extended warranty. It's now a good time. You don't want to talk? You don't want to talk about the warranty? Okay.
You're so cute. Fabian. Say abba, abba, abba. Abba, abba, abba.
Exercise, so stretch. So we do a full.
So put your head on my chest! Oh, we gonna stretch it out! We gonna stretch it out!
Cobra, I challenge you to a duel. Fight me. Do not run. Face your fear.
Can you say tornado?
A potato flew around my room before you came. Excuse. Can we do boop? Boop. Oh, you did your own boop? You're so cute.
Do you want a pop cup? Okay.
Nina? Down. Bang! The fucking squirrel is back. Huh? Where are you going?
Otis, do you want to go on a walk? And then we could go to Grandma's house and get some peanut butter. Oh, and all your favorite treats. Where's your toy? Where's your toy? Go get it. Oh.
If you have a dog, turn your volume up to see what their reaction will be for the following sounds. Or don't, I can't really tell you what to do.
Uh-oh.
Итак, настоящий волк утром должен сделать 3 вещи. Тихо, погоди. Погулять. Погоди. Помыться. И покушать бегом. Пошли кушать. Где волк? Ну-ка покажи волка, покажи. Где волк? Волк. Ну, давай. Ты что? Поехали.
That's a good girl. That's Wolfie in a green hoodie with frog eyes. That's a good baby. Wolfan, I am so in love with you. You have no... Wolfan, cover your private parts. You look so cute. What? Hey, we're trying to go to sleep. Hey, call Blue. Hey. What? What can I help you with? No, I don't know. What do you need help with? It's bedtime. Shiloh. Oh my gosh.